of the tent that we had. I'm gonna do a quick setup. Yeah, you don't have to put it up.
You can filter out the background.
Yeah.
Okay. Unless you want Ace of Base. There. Cool.
We're almost there.
Nice. "30 seconds.
No.
Here.
In the pit.
Why don't I?
Hold that side. There we go. That's it. Can be done by one person. All right, so here's the Alvantor 10x10 pop-up tent with a full screen around it. It's like a hexagon shape, plenty of room for 3 people comfortably with camping chairs and whatnot. Probably 4 if you put one in each corner or something. But it's a good solution when you're at a campground like this and there might be some mosquitoes. We're currently in Fort Wilderness and it's really not bad. But you can see here they got these ropes on the bottom. It came with sandbags and it came with the metal tent spikes, which were pretty heavy duty. It came with the strings already attached all the way around on the tops, and it's on every corner, so you have plenty of options on where you want to mount the string to the ground and how you want to do it. So you can see this one, we just have 2 right now. So come back around this side. It's got 2 heavy duty zippers to let you in. So you just open these up. Plenty of headroom. You know, I'm 5'8", and I still got, it's got to be at least 6 feet high. I'm sure there's dimensions that I'll share on the screen, but this is it, a pretty simple setup. It even has a the way it pops up, it unfolds and then just explodes straight out. So super easy to pop up, and I'm going to do a quick review of putting it away as well. All right, so here's all the stuff that the tent came with. It came with a nice big carrying case with a zipper. It came with the bags, sandbags for extra stability, as well as all the metal hooks that you can go into the ground. And then it came with a little card for an active guarantee. I didn't open this yet. Let's take a look at the guarantee. Now this thing does come in multiple sizes, so looks like their card has all the different ones. They have a 15 by 15 shower tent. They have a lot of stuff, and it comes with a 1-year guarantee. So we'd have to email this Gmail address to get that guarantee. But yeah, so that's what comes in the bag with this tent. Pretty cool.